to upskilling after 40. Starting something new can feel scary. Pero alam nyo ba, being a beginner is super powerful. Ako, whenever I try a new tool, I would be confused in the beginning, syempre. Pero I would keep practicing until I become familiar with it. To the point nga na minsan medyo na-obsess ako eh. Hanggang it would feel natural to me na. So nagiging part na siya ng routine ko. Best example dito for me is Slack. Oh my goodness. It's a messaging tool for teams. Nung una talaga, kakaloka ah. Anyway, ngayon okay na. So tip number 1, accept that learning takes time. And it's okay to make mistakes. Tip number 2, celebrate small wins. Bawat natututunan natin is a progress. So tip number 3, surround yourself naman with people who support your growth. Super importante to. Remember, learning something new is the best way to grow. Kaya being a beginner is powerful kasi it represents a moment of pure potential and growth. Ayun, so kayo, ano naman this year ang gusto nyong subukan? Let me know sa comments below.